Once you've created a good cross-section, you can save it as a whole, as a new subassembly. You can add it to your subassembly collections so that when you're doing a new drawing, you easily find it as a template you created. How to do that? You can create your own tab here. You can add a new palette. And you can name it whatever you want. Call it RD-1. And here I want to drag this whole cross-section to this place so that any other time that I want to create a similar road cross-section, I can just drag it from here instead of doing all the process from scratch again. How to do that? You click on the assembly and you drag it to the new palette. And here you have your assembly that is ready for use. So if you want it again, you can just, if you want it in a new drawing, you can just get it and put it there. No need to recreate subassembly by subassembly.